Sing Hub Utility Stores, we are taking pride to getting such a beautiful experience once again in 2026 with young kids. Now babuka labamfana laba bonke banayo lesifiso sekuba nelikusasa lelihle.
Besisebenza kanzima Jimini besifighter naye sonke nabafana abancane basupporta abo-coach i-inspiration kakhulu badlala sonke.
Amanye ama-champs of champs sitawathatha.
Ngijabule kakhulu indlela ledlale ngayo i-tournament la kaLobamba.
Kahle imission yethu ukukhuthaza abantwana ukuthi bangangeneli boma-drugs, but keep busy while bangekho esikolweni.
Siyabongela kakhulu ngoba noma thina baphathi bema-team besingafisa lokho ukuthi badlale but nakuhle lokho sikhuthathako naloko kusikhomba ukuthi nyalo siyodlalela ini sikhanze sihlele emakhaya.
Most of the time wasidanga ukuthi ngidlala ibhola.
Nebantu bemango ukuthi lenzaba yebhola asisuyithathela phasi. Mina nje nangibuka iyasida la kuthenini nyalo sesilwa nale technology ukhanza abantwana bahlele endlini kuze liyoshona ilanga. Ungakhanza sebayalimala nasemehlweni nalokho kungabi physical fit nje kubantwana. Ungavama ukuthi ukhanza ukuthi sekuyabalimaza. Ngingakhuthaza nje abantu bemango ukuthi asisuyibukela khashane lemidlalo le physical lefaka yona nale bhola sibakhuthaze abantwana sibasupporte la sibasupporta khona. Noma ungumtali nje umntwana khona akawudlala unake lokho ukuthi kwendekani usonzele uyomkhuthaza.
Thank you Hub Essential for this wonderful opportunity to the upgrowing kids.
Sitha kakhulu kulabantwana bayacoceka siyakhona nabo ukuthi sibakhulise ngendlela lengiyo ngoba kulomfana sakho konke ukuthi akwadi ukudlala ibhola phinza akwadi nekuphila nebantu.
Lesi kubuke kakhulu it's developing bamfana labancane more than ukuthi sesifuna results noma competition.
Ula sikhuluma khona bonombembe namhlanje besibonakala abafana abancane kakhulu basijajela lemidlalo kutshengisa ukuthi likusasa kubonombembe sesinalo.
Sekuyinsaye yake njengoba Hub sekamvedile ukuthi kubaphathi bethu labakhona laveni basizamele ukuthi bamane bamentorishe njengoba nathi basinikeza le field mentoring.
Singoho nje siyabonga kakhulu sibona imidlalo ehambe kahle. Sithi big up to our sponsor which is Hub Essential.
Hub usita uthi sigume badlali abaya ku first team sicela uthi achubeke.
Even lemhlaba lene corruption whereby bamfana baba kuma-drugs, so we are so excited ukuthi sibe nebamfana under our guidance.
it's an honor to be part of this whole program, to see all these young people come through and be able to just enjoy themselves, to be able to be kept off the streets and to be developed into future soccer players who will eventually represent even our nation.
Ngoba kubonga kakhulu abaka-BT Stones ukuba nasi for this so many years baqhubeke basechase siboneke nama-team lakhonile kuba boshambeni eDikotsintawo afika namuhla adlala la uNkulunkulu bengakithi usihambele ngetulu it's never too late to try again and next year we hope happy to see those besola khona.
We are ready to carry on sponsoring this tournament and we are happy that to be part of the development program of soccer in Eswatini, our nation Eswatini.
Sibonga kakhulu laba kwendele eMaswati. We understand ukuthi hub sone budlelwane lobuthe lobuhlanganisa iminyaka lelishumi seloke asupporta ema-team aseSwatini ladlala ibhola ema-under 17. Sithi asikubonge kakhulu lokho kubosomabhizinisi kubuyisela tibongo eMaswatini.
Sibakaho sithanda kubonga kakhulu kubaka-hub labendeke ukuthi basponsorishe ema-juniors kuwo onke lama-leagues lala ku-Southern Zone, that is 6 leagues, and then whereby they then take lama-champions of each league babe sebadlala i-Chamber of Champs.